tried so hard and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I tried so hard and got so far, but in the end.
Good morning, everyone. It is about like 66 degrees outside in the morning right now. This feels so good. But welcome back to another video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed my last two videos that I posted out. Going to be uploading more shorts because we are back. We are back. I'm gonna go get some gas real quick and then yeah. So I bought a new camera. I did sell my Canon M50. And now I have a Sony A7iii, and wow, it's so nice. I'm about to go do my first shoot right now on my bike. So first I need to go get some gas before I do anything. So we're headed to this one place. I already shot here before on my R3, but I do want to shoot on my R6. So we're gonna head there right now. Yeah, so Garrett's supposed to be out, but I told him a different time last night and he didn't get to see it, so he's probably asleep right now. But he was gonna come out this morning, but I changed the time to a little bit later because I didn't want to wake up that early. Yeah, right now it's like 8:52. It's probably around almost 70 now. It's like going up slowly and surely. Yeah, the spot's really close. It's like over here, and it's like a guardrail, and behind it is like a bunch of trees. I think it looks nice because there's like a couple graffitis there. So yeah, it's low-key a little bit chilly though, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, for this vlog, we're just going to be testing out my Sony A7iii, see how it is, and yeah. There was a whole ass cop sitting in the front. Okay, there's water here. I'm not sure if it rained last night or not, but like I saw water all this morning, so I don't know. But yeah, I'm here. This is the spot. I'm gonna transition into some B-roll for you guys, and
a few moments later.
All right, I just got done with the shoot, so now I'm headed back home. I don't think anyone's coming out. I got stuff to do today, and I got work the following week, so I'm gonna try to post this video and short on Monday. So yeah, so the camera is not that bad. I really like it. It's really good, especially for me, since I do a lot of like, I guess like ride, you know, I like to travel around, ride, and like take pictures and do videography. I always thought that fascinated me, especially videography. And yeah, so here I am with a nice Finally, a nice camera. I mean, the Canon M50 is a great budget camera if you're not looking to spend that much, but still want the quality. I say the Canon M50 is one of the best budget cameras you can get out there. And yeah, it just I bought it like a year ago, I believe. Yeah, a year ago in 2021, and I wanted to upgrade to the A7, just any A7 to be honest. A7 III, A7 IV. Whenever A7 IV came out, I wanted that one, but it is quite expensive, so I don't know. You know, it was a $500 difference, and you know, I'm kind of tight on money. I don't want to spend an extra $500, so I just went with the A7 III. And yeah, we'll see how. By the time you see this video, you're already gonna see the footage, but I'm gonna see how it turns out by just looking at the footage and going over it. So hopefully it turns out great. So yeah, 9:36. So we've been out here for about, say, an hour now. Not bad for a shoot. Yeah, my bike's all dusty, so hopefully my bike doesn't look that bad in the shoot.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight.